Measure the installation height. Determine the number of rods based on the installing height. Attach the bars to the basket. Turn the open plastic piece at the top. Insert pole into pole C, then slide the sleeve into pole C. Slide the tail bar and O-ring into the pole. Assemble the required extension poles. Assemble pole B on the bottom. Slide the baskets into the pole. Attach rubber parts and fit baskets snugly onto them. Pull out the slim part of pole A to adjust the length. Twist left to tighten. Twist right to loosen. Adjust pole's length to match the installation height, then add an extra 2 inches. Tighten the pole before installation for a stable fit. Tilt the pole and compress the spring end to hold in place. Then move the bottom end into position.